Jotform Sign tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Jotform Sign. Jotform Sign is a powerful tool that simplifies document signing and streamlines your workflow. Whether you're a business professional, a freelancer, or simply someone who needs to collect signatures efficiently, Jotform Sign has got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the basics of Jotform Sign, including the process of creating signable documents, assigning them to signers, and managing the entire signing process seamlessly. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Jotform Sign, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. There you'll find various options for signing up. You can choose to sign with your Google or Facebook account, or you can use your email address. Select the option that works best for you and follow the steps to create a new account. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Jotform account. To continue, go to the top menu, My Forms, and locate the Products option. Jotform offers a range of products, including the Form Builder, Jotform Table, Report Builder, PDF Editor, etc. In this tutorial, we'll focus on Jotform Sign, so click on My Sign Documents in the Products menu. Clicking on My Sign Documents will take you to the Jotform Sign dashboard. The Jotform Sign dashboard provides a user-friendly interface that is simple to navigate. When you access the dashboard, you will notice a left menu on the left-hand side. This menu offers several options to enhance your document management experience. At the top of the left menu, you'll find the Create Sign Document button. Clicking on this button allows you to create a new signable document from scratch. It provides a convenient starting point for general documents that require signatures. The My Sign Documents section within the left menu displays all the documents you have signed. This feature allows you to easily access and review the documents you've previously processed through Jotform Sign. Under the My Teams section, you can view all the teams you have created or are a part of. This section also provides the option to create a new team by simply clicking on the Create Team button. It enables effective collaboration within specific groups or projects. The Favorites section in the left menu showcases all the signed documents that you have marked as favorites. This feature allows you to quickly locate and access your most important or frequently used documents. If you ever need to retrieve deleted documents, you can find them in the Trash section of the left menu. This feature helps you recover any accidentally deleted files and ensures that you don't permanently lose any important documents. In addition to the left menu, the right side of the dashboard offers various filtering options to help you organize and locate your documents across your entire account. You can utilize filters such as the last edit date, creation date, or title to refine your document search and streamline your workflow. To further facilitate document search and retrieval, a search bar is available. You can simply enter relevant keywords or document titles in the search bar to quickly find the specific documents you are looking for. Now, to create a signable document in Jotform Sign, begin by navigating to the top left corner of the dashboard and locate the Create Sign Document button. Click on it to initiate the document creation process. You will then be presented with two options to choose from. The first option is to upload your own documents and convert them into signable formats. The second option is to utilize pre-built templates available within Jotform Sign. For this tutorial, we will focus on Upload Document option and click on it. Once you have selected Upload Document, proceed to upload your desired documents from your computer. You can either click the Upload button and select files from your computer, or you can simply drag and drop the files into the designated area. Additionally, if you wish to try out the process before uploading your own documents, you can click on the Try Demo Document option. After uploading your documents, click on the Create Signable Document button to proceed. It may take a moment for the conversion process to complete, and then you'll be redirected to the Jotform Sign Builder page. Upon uploading your document, a banner will appear asking whether you would like Jotform Sign to automatically detect signing fields. This feature scans the document and identifies areas where signatures may be required. Once the fields are detected, you can use the Add Fields menu located on the left side of the screen to add various fields to your document. Similar to the other Jotform products, you can simply drag and drop the desired elements from the menu into the Sign Builder. The left menu offers a variety of fields, such as name, email, date, signature, company, job title, and website, along with basic fields like address, phone, initials, etc. For example, if you want to add a signature field to your document, click on Signature in the menu and drag it onto your document. As you drag the signature field, a window will appear on the right side of the screen where you can manage the properties of the signature field. You can add a new role, modify the field label, and specify whether the signature is required or optional. If you need to include multiple signers in your document, click the blue button located below the signature element and select Add a New Role. If you wish to change the document's name, navigate to the Settings tab. Within this tab, you can enter a new title for the document under the Document Title field. You can also integrate your form with other apps. For example, with Zoho CRM, Trello, Asana, HubSpot, Slack, and others. After designating where you want your users to sign within the document, proceed to the Send tab to assign the document to the intended signers. In this tab, enter the full name and email address of each signer in the appropriate fields. Additionally, you have the option to create an access code for your signers and include a personalized message along with the invitation to sign. Each signer will receive a unique URL that remains valid for a period of 7 days. Once you have filled in all the necessary fields, click on the Send to Sign button to send the documents to the designated signers. Within the Options tab, you'll find additional settings to further customize the signing process. Here you can choose to send reminder emails to the signers, set expiration dates for signing, enable signers to delegate the signing task to others, and add CC recipients who will receive copies of the signed documents. By utilizing these options, you can effectively assign documents to specified signers, set up reminders, control the duration for which the documents are accessible, enable delegation, and keep additional recipients informed throughout the signing process. If you only need one signature from different people, you may generate a link to share. To do so, on the left menu, click on Share with Link. Then from here, you can generate a public link. As you can see, to create a public link, only one role is allowed on your document. So, first I'll delete one of the roles because I have 2 of them. Then I can create a public link. Now you can copy your link. The same thing to get the embed code. This works if you only need one signature from different people. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Jotform Sign. There are more things to learn about Jotform Sign, so if you're interested in an advanced tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make it happen whenever I get a chance. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.